peaceful afternoon to everyone. To our dear principal, Mrs. Roxanne M. Vergara. To our district supervisor, Ma'am Maria Luisa E. Santos. To our barangay captain of Santo Cristo, Captain R. Michael R. Lopez. Dedicated teachers, loving parents and guardians, my fellow awardees, and honored guests. It is a great honor to stand here today and speak on behalf of all my fellow awardees. Today is not just about the medals or the certificates we are holding. It is a day to celebrate how hard we have worked, how much we have grown, and the amazing people who helped us get here. As we gather here today for this special event, we proudly celebrate our success with our team, Filipino learners prepared to lead with competence and character. This team reminds us that being a good leader is not just about being the smartest in the room. It is also about having a good heart. Our school has taught us two important things. First, the values to do what is right. And second, the great skills. We are not just students finishing a school year. We are young leaders ready to help our country in the future. By doing our best and being honest in everything we do, we can help our country grow. To our dear teachers, thank you po for planting the seeds of wisdom and perseverance in us. To our dear parents, thank you po for all your endless love, support, and sacrifices. And to all my fellow awardees, let us not stop here. Let this recognition be